Now's the time for our ongoing special segment where we take your queries related to home insurance and give you the best advice from our experts. We have with us Anurag Rastogi, Head Retail Underwriting and Claims Executive Management Group, HDFC Ergo General Insurance. Welcome, Mr. Rastogi. Let's just start with our first question that a viewer has sent us through email. Arijit Gupta wants to know that he has bought a flat in 2010. Along with that, he also bought a home insurance. Now he has sold the property, but the insurance was up to 2020. What happens to the policy now? Anurag.
Thank you, Anjali, for having me here. To Arijit, I would like to say that it is as simple as writing a mail or a letter to your insurance company with the evidence of sale of the house, and you'll get your premium back. You don't need to really bother about the unexpired part of your insurance.
Okay. So another thing is, in case there is a claim, then what to do in case of that claim?
Again, the claim process is fairly simple and straightforward. What I advise the customers is that whenever something happens in your house for which you want to lodge a claim to insurance company, just take a few snaps from your smartphone or from your camera and immediately call up the insurance company and tell them what has happened. They will immediately send their engineer to come and assess the loss, and the loss settlement process is fairly straightforward and fairly fast. I hope that within a week or to 15 days, you must be able to get your claim if it is not too large and if it does not involve a lot of complication.
Yes, but usually, whenever there is a policy, there are certain exclusions that are included in that. So what are the exclusions?
Okay, so if you look at the home insurance policy has several variants. So obviously, you are covered for what you pay for and what you have bought. You're not covered for what you have not paid for. So when you are buying the insurance, you must know what you're paying for and what will you be covered for. Everything else will be an exclusion for you. So you can buy a very, very simple basic cover for as small as 400 rupees, which will not cover a lot of things. Or you can buy a most comprehensive cover by paying some a few thousand rupees, which will cover most of the things. So that will decide what is covered and what is not covered. On the second hand, there are certain things which are not covered in any insurance policy. So for example, a willful misconduct or a gross negligence. So you leave your house door ajar in the night and you sleep, and then a thief comes in and takes away your goods. The insurance policy will not cover because you're not supposed to do that, and it's not a normal behavior. Secondly, wear and tear or the normal losses are not covered. Say for example, in a building, the normal cracks that happen as part of the settlement of the building, they're normal wear and tear, they're not insured damages, and so insurance company does not pay. To take another simple example, you have an air conditioner and the gas in the air conditioner which cools the atmosphere, it leaks from time to time. You need to refill it once in a while. So that normal leakage will not be covered by insurance company. Thirdly, insurance company also does not cover consequential damage. Now consequential damage means that there is something damaged, you're not supposed to use or run it, but you still run it, which only aggravates the damage. That also insurance company will not cover. For example, taking the example of the air conditioner, if the gas is already leaked and you still continue to run the air conditioner, it will result in the compressor overheating, which will cause further damages to the other parts of air conditioner. And so the insurance company may deny coverage for the air conditioner. Some other things that insurance companies across the globe do not cover are war. So in case a war happens with a neighboring country, any damages happening during the war are not covered, or any damages happening due to a nuclear explosion or nuclear gas leakage are generally not covered. Otherwise, the insurance policies mostly cover a lot of things.
So, my takeaway is, apart from the war, just be a little bit more careful and you will not be part of the exclusion. Anyways, Anurag, thank you very much for joining us.
My pleasure, Anjali. Thank you.